Welcome back to our channel. In previous class, we discussed about the images formation by using the concave mirror. Now, today we are discussing about the sign conventions. What is sign conventions? Sign conventions means sign conventions. What is sign conventions? Sign conventions, we are using the mirrors. So first sign convention is, you know that it is the which mirror? It is the concave mirror. It is the which mirror? Concave mirror. Silvering surface is convex and opposite surface, reflecting surface is concave. It is the convex and it is the concave. So first sign convention says all distances should be measured from the pole. All distances should be means must. All distances should be measured from the pole. Where is the pole? It is the pole. You know that it is the principal axis and it is the vertex point. So all distances should be measured from the pole. It is the first one. All distances should be measured from the pole. It is the first sign convention. After that, second one is the distance measured by the direction of incident light ray. The distance measured by the direction of incident light ray is taken positive. The distance measured in the direction of incident light ray is taken positive. When it is taken positive, the distance covered the distance covered by the measuring of the object is taken as positive. The distance measured in the direction of, it is the direction. The distance measured in the direction of incident light ray is taken positive. And next one is the distance measured in the opposite direction of incident light ray. It is the which direction? Opposite direction. The distance measured in the direction of opposite direction of incident light ray. It is the same direction. It is the opposite direction of incident light ray is taken negative. Okay. What here saying? The distance measured in the direction of incident light ray is taken positive. It is the direction. After that, third point. What I am saying, the third point? The distance measured in the direction of opposite direction of incident light ray. It is the opposite. These two are both are opposite or not? Yes. So it is the opposite direction of the incident light ray is taken negative. And fourth one is, what is the fourth one? Height of object and height of image. HO and HI. Height of object and height of image. Both are measured. Both are measuring or both are taken positive. When it is taken positive, height of object and height of image both are taken positive. When it is taken, both are above the principal axis or upward the principal axis, we take positive. You understand? It is the upward the principal axis. Height of object and height of image both are formed above the principal axis or upward the principal axis. It is taken positive. Next, these two are height of object and height of image both are taken negative. Both are taken negative. When it is taken negative, negative means below the principal axis or downward the principal axis. Downward means here. It is the downward. Downward the principal axis, height of object and height of image have. We take negative. These five are the sign conventions for the mirror by using the mirrors. Sign conventions. What are the sign conventions? Today I am saying that 5 sign conventions. What are the 5 sign conventions? The first one is all distances should be measured from the pole. Okay, all distances should be measured from the pole. It is the first one. After that, second one is the distance covered by the direction of incident light ray. Direction of incident light ray is taken positive. After that, opposite direction, and those opposite direction, incident light ray, it is in opposite direction, we take negative. Next we go to the fourth point. Height of object and height of image both are taken positive if measured in the upward or above the principal axis. Now below the principal axis, below means downward the principal axis, both are taken negative. So these are the sign conventions. After that, I am writing serial number and property and concave mirror. After that, convex mirror. So first property, object distance. Object distance U. You know that object distance. Object distance means what? The distance from object to mirror. The distance from object to mirror is called object distance. It is denoted by the letter U. Object distance always taken negative, either convex or concave. Always taken negative. Which mirrors we take? Both mirrors. Concave mirror or convex mirror, both are taken negative. Why we take negative? Both are. It is moving. Object always moving. Where to where? Opposite direction of the incident light ray. So opposite direction of incident light ray we taken negative. Object distance. Both are either convex or concave. Both are taken negative. It is the object distance. After that, second one is image distance. Image distance. What is image distance? Image distance means the distance from or the distance between image to mirror. The distance between image to mirror is called a image distance. It is denoted the letter V. Image distance negative half. It is real image. We get the answer minus negative. That means it is the which type of image? Real image. The image is formed the positive. It is virtual. Virtual image. It is image distance in the concave mirror. But convex mirror not answering. NA. But this one positive, virtual is positive, concave concave mirror formed the positive and convex also formed the positive. Positive means we always formed the virtual image. You know that what is virtual and what is real image? Real image means when two light rays are directly contact, are directly meeting, that image is taken as real image. Real image is always inverted image. Okay. Next, what is virtual image? Where the extended light rays, meeting or meeting point, that point formed the which type of image? Virtual image. Okay. So image distance always taken negative means concave mirror real image form. Positive means virtual image form. Convex mirror always formed the virtual image only. Okay. Next, we go to the third one. Center of curvature. Center of curvature. Sorry. Radius of curvature. Radius of curvature. It is denoted the letter. What is capital R? What is radius of curvature means? The distance between or the distance from pole to center of curvature is called a radius of curvature. It is denoted the letter R. It is denoted the letter R. So here radius of curvature by the concave mirror is always taken negative. This one taken what is? It is taken positive. Concave mirror taken positive. Next, after that, focal length. Focal length. Focal length says it is denoted the letter small f. Focal length. What is focal length? The distance from vertex point. Vertex means pole to focus. Focal point. It is called a focal length. It is denoted by the letter small f. What is small f? So focal length. Concave mirror focal length always taken negative. And convex it is taken positive. It is the focal length. After that, height of object. Height of object. HO. Height of object. Okay. Height of object. It is taken. Height of object taken. Both sides are taken positive and positive. Either concave side or convex side always taken positive. Height of object. And height of image. Height of image. Height of image HI. It is taken negative. When it is taken negative, here formed the real image. Its answer is negative. Here formed the positive. Positive means which type of image form? Virtual image form. Here height of image here not answering NA, and it is again positive. And last one is magnification. Magnification M is equal to HI by HO, that equal to minus V by U. It is the formula of magnification. What is magnification? Magnification means the ratio between height of image and height of object. The ratio between height of image. HI says height of image and HO says height of object. So the ratio between height of image and height of object is called a magnification. So magnification M value equal to HI by HO, that equal to minus V by U. That means minus V is the image distance and U is the object distance. So again magnification, here minus VE, negative, magnification is negative. It is the real image. And it is positive. Positive means here formed the virtual image. And it is not answering. And again it is positive. Positive means which type of? Virtual image. Virtual image. These are the sign convention by using the mirror formula. So here totally 7 properties we discuss about it. What is 7 properties? Object distance always taken negative, either convex side or concave side. After that, image distance minus negative coming. Negative means it is the real image. Positive coming, it is the concave. Positive also coming, it is virtual. To get the answer, negative have real, positive have virtual. Here convex always formed the positive type of image. Next, radius of curvature. It is a concave mirror by take this sign convention negative and convex positive. Next, focal length minus negative, concave says negative and convex says positive. Height of object either convex or concave, both are taken positive. It is the height of object, it is the object distances. Next, height of image negative, positive. Negative have real and positive have virtual. Next, convex not answering, it is the virtual image only, it is positive image. Next, magnification m is equal to hi by ho, that equal to minus v by u. That means minus v negative have concave, negative have negative answer coming, it is real image. Positive plus answer is coming, it is the virtual image. Here always form the virtual images. Now we go to the mirror formula. Mirror formula. What is mirror formula? Now we go to the mirror formula. Mirror formula, 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v, or 2 by r is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. It is the mirror formula. What is mirror formula? 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v, or 2 by r equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. You know that here u is object distance. U is object distance, v is image distance. And f is focal length. And r is radius of curvature. And r is radius of curvature. You know that what is the relation, how it is getting formula? 1 by f is equal to, here 2 by r equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. Then already you know that what is the relation between r and f? R equal to 2f. What is the relation between r and f? R means radius of curvature and f means focal length. Exactly, focal length, radius of curvature is the twice of the focal length. So r equal to 2f. So in place of r, we substitute 2 by 2f. In r place we write 2 by 2f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. 2 cancel. So 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. It is a mirror formula. Then focal length f is equal to, we take LCM. F is equal to uv by u plus v. It is the mirror formula. F is equal to uv by u plus v. It is the focal length you find out. Okay. So it is the mirror formula. Now we calculate some problems. We do these two problems. Okay. If the object is placed on the principal axis at a distance of 10 centimeter in front of a concave mirror, which is the curvature is 8 centimeter, what is the distance of the image? First we write that given conditions. Object distance always taken how it is. Object distance means 10 centimeter from the principal axis, we take 10 centimeter. And then what is radius of curvature is given. Radius of curvature also taken as negative or positive? Negative. So radius of curvature is 8 centimeter. Then focal length f is equal to r equal to 2f. Then f equal to r by 2. R by 2 says minus 8 by 2. That means minus 4 centimeters. So according to ray diagram, object where have, you know that it is the concave mirror, it is the pole, and it is the focus, and it is the center of curvature. So first of all, focal length is given. What is focal length? 4 centimeter. So the distance between P to F is 4 centimeter. Then P to C. P to C means radius of curvature is how much? 8 centimeter. So object where have 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter means what, you know that? Beyond C. Object placed yet beyond. Beyond means it is the object. Object here have. So according to ray diagrams, object placed at beyond C, image formed where? Between F and C. Between F and C. Then draw the ray diagram. It is the ray passing parallel to principal axis. After reflection passes through focus. After that, a ray passing through the focus. After reflection, it passing parallel to principal axis. Where the two light rays are intersecting, it is the image is formed here. So image where it is formed? Between F and C. Between F and C. So what you are thinking? The answer, coming answer is always between 4 to 8. Between, it is the 4 and it is the 8. Focal length is 4 and radius of curvature is 8. The coming answer between 4 to 8. Okay. So this is the answer. So we calculate the answer. According to mirror formula, 1 by F is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. Then here 1 by F is equal to 1 by V. Image distance we find out. V is equal to 1 by U. Take this side. That means 1 by F minus 1 by U. Apply the sign conventions. 1 by F is equal to 1 by F means what, you know that? Minus 4. Minus of 1 by minus 10. That implies 1 by V is equal to 1 by minus 4. Minus into minus plus 1 by 10. 1 by 10. That implies 1 by V is equal to, we take LCM. 10 for LCM is 10 comma 4 LCM is 2 5s and 2 2s. So total is 20. So 4 5s are minus 5 and plus 2. That means V1 by V is equal to minus 3 by 20. Then V is equal to 20 by minus 3. Then V is equal to 20 by 3 means 6.67 something. That means the coming answer is, what is answer? 6.67 centimeter. Okay. So we do this problem. It is easily. How? Okay. Okay, na? So how to we do this problem easily within half second, half minute. Okay. How to do it? That means image distance is equal to, we take the formula is smallest formula V is equal to Fu by U minus F. It is taken for the concave mirror. Very, very important. Okay. Watch carefully. V is equal to Fu by U minus F. When it is, you find the image distance in concave mirror, it is, we take that V is equal to Fu by Vu minus F. So answer is V is equal to, F means what is the F value? Minus 4 into U means minus 10 by, U means what is? Minus 10 minus of minus 4. So V is equal to minus 40, minus into minus plus 40 by 10 minus 10 plus 4. Then V is equal to 40 by minus 6. 2 20s are, 2 3s are. So V is equal to, again coming the answer is minus 6.67 centimeter. It is the very shortcut formula by using the image formed by the concave mirror. Which formula we are using? It is V is equal to Fu by U minus F. It is the simplified formula. Okay. And after that, what is the nature of the image? What is the nature of the image? It is real, inverted and a diminished image. Then compared to height of object, this one is very small. Okay. Now we go to the second one. Understand this one? It is, which is the shortest formula. V is equal to Fu by U minus F. After that, second one is, what is second one? An object 4 centimeter in size is placed at a 25 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. The focal length is 15 centimeter. At what distance from the mirror should be a screen be placed in order to obtain a sharp image? Find the nature and size of the images. We are asking. So, first of all, an object, height of object HO is equal to 4 centimeter. And then place the object distance U is equal to, always object distance always taken negative, U is equal to 25 centimeter. Then focal length value is given, focal length F is equal to, concave mirror focal length always taken negative. So what distance from the image? Then you find the first of all image. So again you take that, you draw the concave mirror. It is the which one? Focus, and it is the center of curvature, and it is the vertex point. Focal point, here focus is how much? 25 centimeter focal length. So focal length is 25, then radius of curvature is, focal length is 15 centimeter, then radius of curvature is given, radius of curvature is exactly twice, that means how much? 30 centimeter. That value is given. Then you understand immediately, you observe C value. C means R value, radius of curvature is 30 centimeters. So, object where have 25 centimeter. This one is 15 and this one is 20. 25 means where have? Here have. That means what you understand? Object placed between F and C. Object placed between F and C. Then draw the ray diagram. A ray passing parallel to principal axis, after reflection it passes through focus. Second one, a ray passing through the focus. A ray passing through the focus, after reflection it passing parallel to principal axis. Image where it is formed? Beyond C. Image where formed? Beyond C. Then compare to height of object, height of image is magnified or not? Magnified. So we will get the answer. How to get the answer? So first of all, we do the shortest formula. What is the shortest formula by using concave mirror? V is equal to Fu by U minus F here taken. Then V is equal to, F means minus 15 into U means minus 25 by U means again minus 25 minus of F means minus 15. It is the shortest formula. So minus into minus plus 25 5 sir 125, 25 ones 25 plus 12 37. 375 by minus 25 plus 15. Then V is equal to 375 by minus 10. Then V is equal to minus 37.5 centimeter. Minus means it is a real image. It is which type of image? A real image. Okay. So image distance we find out. After that, magnification. Magnification means M is equal to height of image by height of object is equal to minus V by U. That implies height of image, already height of image we find out, height of image by height of object is first given 4 centimeters is equal to minus of V. V value is minus 37.5 by U value is minus 25. That implies HI by 4 is equal to minus into minus plus 37.5 by minus 25. Then that implies HI is equal to 4. We take cross multiplication. 4 take this side. 37.5 into 4 by minus 25. Minus 25. Then HI is equal to totally 4 5s are 20. 4 7s are 28 to 30. 4 3s are 12 plus 3 15. Here put the point 150 by minus 25. 25 ones 25 6. So HI is equal to, what is the value? HI is equal to minus 6 centimeter. That means minus here means it is the real and inverted image. Okay now. So by using the image formed by the concave mirror by using formula is FU by U minus F. It is the shortest formula by using triple IT examinations. Okay na? Okay Nana? Bye. Take care. Who are watching my videos, please subscribe and share your friends. Thank you. Tomorrow we'll discuss about remaining topics. Okay na? Bye.